Oh wait, it wasn't recording. I guess it is now. Let's repeat here. This is a video of Budgie and his bird, who Chris says Budgie named Arnold. This fact is in question. There's Chris. There's Budgie. There's Arnold. Look at him. He's totally in love with his fake plastic bird. Baby Budgie, will you let me scratch your head? Let me scratch your head. Come here. Let me scratch your little Budgie head. Come here. Let me scratch your head. Aww. Aww, look how sweet you are. Look. Look how sweet. It's a recent development. He's usually not so friendly, but we're training him, because he certainly does love his bird. Okay, the end.